They just Googled the answers 10 seconds ago. But wait, next round, telling a joke. The AI tries, why did the algorithm cross the road? To optimize the chicken's path. The crowd, crickets. Human tells a knock-knock joke, instant laughter.
All right, let's be real. Life is crazy. It's like you're juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. You've got work, you've got family, you have to remember to feed the dog. And the cat. The goldfish you won at the fair. You wake up and your brain is already a browser with 50 tabs open. You're thinking about that big presentation, what to make for dinner, and whether you remembered to pay the electric bill. But what if there's a little helper, a sidekick, a backstage crew for your life's big show? I'm talking about AI, not scary robots. The smart, simple stuff already here, ready to take some weight off your shoulders. Not to change your whole life, just help with the small stuff. An assistant who never needs a coffee break. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's get into it. Okay, picture this. Your alarm goes off. It's that horrible, jarring sound. Beep, beep, beep. It's the worst. You hit snooze once, twice, maybe a third time. Now you're late. You stumble out of bed, trip over a shoe and run to the kitchen. You need coffee, but the coffee pot is empty. You forgot to set it up last night. Now let's rewind. Let's do a take two with a little AI magic. Your smart speaker gently wakes you up with your favorite song. The lights in your room slowly brighten, like a personal sunrise. You walk into the kitchen, and guess what? The coffee is already brewing. Its beautiful aroma fills the air. Your AI assistant saw from your calendar that you have an early meeting, so it woke you up a few minutes earlier and started the coffee machine for you. It even tells you, "Good morning. The traffic on your route to work is light, and it's going to be sunny today. Don't forget your sunglasses." This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is happening right now in actual homes. It's the little things, you know? It's not about a robot making you a 5-course breakfast. It's about not having to think about making the coffee. This little bit of help completely changes the vibe of your morning. You go from frantic and stressed to calm and prepared. Let's talk about grocery shopping. It sounds simple, right? Go to the store, buy food. Easy, but it's not. You wander the aisles aimlessly, trying to remember if you're out of ketchup. You end up buying 3 bottles just in case. You get home and realize you forgot the one thing you went for, milk. Now let's try this again, but with your AI sidekick. Throughout the week, whenever you run out of something, you just say, "Hey, add olive oil to the shopping list." No paper, no pen, no problem. Your AI keeps a running list on your phone. When planning meals, you can ask it for ideas. What can I make with chicken? What can I make with broccoli? It gives you a simple recipe. And the best part? It automatically adds missing ingredients to your shopping list. Mind blown. You walk into the store with a perfectly organized list, sorted by aisle. No more zigzagging. But wait, it gets better. Some AI apps can even help you save money. They scan weekly flyers from nearby stores, then tell you where the best deals are. You get to checkout, feeling like a champion. You have everything you need. You didn't buy junk, and you got it all on sale. You are the king of the grocery store. You walk out like you just won a gold medal. You know the feeling. You're all snuggled up in bed. You're warm and comfy, just about to drift off to sleep. And then it hits you. The dread, the horror. You left the living room light on. Ugh. Now you have to get out of your cozy cocoon. Enter the smart home. Not some crazy, complicated system. Simple stuff. You're in bed. Realize the light is on. Say, "Hey, turn off the living room lights." Poof. Darkness. You don't move a muscle. Drift off to sleep. Panicky about the front door? Pull out your phone, open the app, and check. Yep, it's locked. You can even lock it remotely if you forgot. The peace of mind is incredible. It's like having a remote control for your entire house. Nobody likes to vacuum. What if the vacuuming just happened? That's what a robot vacuum does. It learns the layout of your home. It quietly tidies up while you're at work or sleeping. You come home to clean floors every day. Your thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature automatically, saving you money on your energy bill without thinking about it. Your security camera can tell the difference between a person, a package, a stray cat, so it only sends alerts that actually matter. All these little things working together in the background make your home safer, more efficient, and way more comfortable. It's not about being lazy. It's about being smart. So, what's the point of all this? The smarter mornings, the easier shopping trips, the home that practically runs itself. Is it just about being cool and having the latest gadgets? No, not at all. It's about getting something back that is super valuable. It's about getting back your time and your energy, all those little minutes and mental gymnastics you used to spend on chores and worries. They start adding up. Suddenly you have a little more breathing room in your day. You have more bandwidth in your brain. Think about it. Instead of spending Saturday morning on a frantic grocery run, you can take your kids to the park. Instead of spending your evenings tidying up, you can actually sit down and watch a movie with your family without falling asleep in the first 10 minutes. You have more time to focus on the things that actually matter, the things you love, hobbies, friends, learning something new, doing absolutely nothing at all. Remember doing nothing? It's fantastic. AI gives you back the moments that used to get eaten up by the mundane tasks of life. This isn't about creating a world where we do nothing. It's about creating a world where we do more of the good stuff. More creating, more laughing, more connecting. AI is the ultimate assistant, taking care of the boring, repetitive tasks so we can be more human. In the end, AI isn't the star of the show. You are. It's pretty good. Pretty.